Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by getting both devices ready. Charge the Croma watch to at least 50% and keep your phone within a few feet. Turn on Bluetooth and enable location on the phone. This allows device discovery. Once done, open the official Croma app, accept the requested permissions, and follow prompts to add a new device. Put the watch into pairing mode, usually by long pressing the power or pairing option, so your phone can detect it and list the watch in available device. Once the watch appears on the phone, tap its name in the Croma app or the Bluetooth device list to initiate pairing. You will often see a numeric code. Verify that the same code shows on both the watch and phone, then confirm on each device. After pairing, the app walks you through permissions for notifications, contacts, and sensors. Accept what you want to sync. Make sure to choose units, notification preferences, and enable activity tracking, so data flows properly between devices. Finish by letting the watch and app complete their first full sync. This can take a few minutes. If you notice missing notifications or delayed data, restart both devices, then reopen the app. Make sure the Croma app is allowed to run in background and excluded from battery optimization so it stays connected. If problems persist, unpair the device, reinstall the app, or perform a factory reset on the watch and repeat the pairing steps. This resolves most stubborn connection issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.